Hello and welcome to BOZWANG. Today we're introducing the BZW-886Q2, a high-performance computerized coaxial cable stripping machine. Stripping up to 6 layers is perfect for coaxial, shielded, and multi-core cables. Using a belt-driven feeding system, it ensures stable transmission without leaving marks. Controlled by a PLC system and operated via an intuitive touchscreen interface, it's user-friendly and efficient. The rotary blade, combined with a V-shaped cutter, delivers high precision and speed in cutting. With an axial positioning system and rotating cutter design, users can process different cable sizes without changing blades, perfect for flexible production needs. The BZW-886Q2 supports cables with diameters from 0.5 to 8 mm. Users can freely set cable lengths, strip lengths at both ends, and other parameters to meet specific production needs. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to BOZWANG for more product demos.